Here we are with China's babies, and they are 1 week old. Yesterday they were 1 week old, and they've really grown. As always, that first week they double in size. Look at them, all snuggled up here. Yeah, all snuggled up. Yes. Let's put you in order. This right here is Marley. Look at Marley. Those cute little markings at the back of his head. So cute. Yeah. And then we've got little Mikey. Mikey, yeah. He's our tricolor boy. This little black mask, isn't that cute? And then we've got Momo. Look at him getting pigment on his nose. It almost looks like a mustache, you know? Like a Groucho Marx mustache. And then our one and only little girl, Maisie. Yay, Maisie. Yes. So cute. So cute. I love little puppies. Oh my goodness. Yes.
Little piggies.
Yeah, it's little piggies.
They're purring.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I like the little wrinkles on their
Oh yeah. Oh, they're so soft. Oh my goodness. All right, so there we have China's babies, 1 week old.